What's up, guys? It's Clayton Bearfield, aka Crouton in the Wild. We're out here in Columbus, Georgia, over here in the Shoals, in between Lake Oliver and downtown Columbus. And you see behind me, hopefully, the bridge going into Columbus to Phoenix City. But yeah, it's water's really high today. The dam is wide open. It took a little bit to paddle up here. Had to kind of shoot across the far right side up here just to get to these rapids. But yeah, I caught one fish under the bridge, just a small little bass, largemouth. I'll pop that up on the screen. Wasn't able to record it, but I did get a picture of it. Don't have a GoPro out with me today. But yeah, looking forward to catching some more fish a little bit here on Memorial Day weekend. Great weather, a little bit cloudy, but still some blue out here. But it's been a little slow. Was throwing the underspin, the swim bait. Got some bites on it, just could not get them to land, but got some small fish to bite on it. And then I've been throwing a rooster tail on this Lew's HS1 hypersonic speed stick with this little inline spinner. Yeah, this thing's been an absolute trooper. My lightweight setup. I mean, I mostly catch all my fish on that, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, I mean, I got the Lew's set up back here. Got the Lew's hypersonic, and then I have my old trusty beat up Black Max. We'll keep it going. We'll see if we can catch us a couple more fish before we have to roll in. It's a little after 5 o'clock in the evening, but yeah, water's running high, and we're doing all right. As you know, we catch absolute toads around here, but beautiful little fish here in the shoals on the rooster tail. Absolute monster. You know, gorgeous fish regardless. Beautiful little fish. We'll get a release on him in just a second. Beautiful out here in the shoals. Great weather today. Well, thanks for tuning in. This has been Crouton in the Wild. Thanks, you guys.